Welcome back to Zoonitoons, the super fun channel where your imagination takes control and every drawing turns into a colorful little adventure. And today we have something extra exciting planned for all of you amazing artists out there. Before we start, make sure you're comfortable. Get your pencils, markers, or crayons ready and prepare yourselves because we're about to create a whole squad of adorable, tiny superheroes drawn in that classic, cute Zoonitoons style you all love so much. Today, joining us on this creative journey, we have Wonder Woman, Superman, Spider-Man, and Iron Man, four of the most iconic heroes ever, and we're going to turn each one of them into little cartoon versions full of charm and personality. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump right into this heroic art adventure together. I start by carefully sketching Wonder Woman's round, expressive face, adding her flowing hair that frames her head nicely, and of course her shining golden tiara, which instantly makes her recognizable and gives her that powerful princess warrior vibe we all adore. After shaping her head, I work my way down to draw her adorable mini hero outfit, including the tiny armor top, the star-patterned skirt, her tall boots, and her confident little pose that shows strength, bravery, and a touch of cuteness all at once. Now that the drawing is complete, I begin coloring her costume with rich, vibrant tones, deep red for her top, shimmering gold for the armor details and tiara, and bright royal blue for her skirt, giving her that heroic and courageous look she's famous for. I finish her by adding warm brown tones to her hair, soft skin colors, and gentle shading, making Wonder Woman look bold, powerful, and absolutely ready to lead the team. I begin drawing Superman by shaping his friendly, confident face, adding his iconic little curl of hair in front, and giving him a proud miniature hero stance that captures his classic bravery and that unstoppable hope he always represents. Next, I sketch out the famous S symbol on his chest, draw the structured shape of his suit, and place his long cape flowing behind him, which instantly makes him look heroic even in this cute Zoonitoons version. To bring Superman to life, I fill in his suit with a bright and powerful shade of blue, carefully color his cape and boots in a bold red, and make his emblem shine by adding golden yellow highlights that make the symbol pop on his chest. Once his suit is complete, I add skin tones, tiny shadows, and soft details that make him look like he's ready to lift buildings, fly across the sky, or simply stand proudly as the classic hero we all know. I begin by drawing Spider-Man's large expressive eye shapes and the rounded mask that covers his face, then give him a dynamic little crouching pose, which instantly brings that energetic, web-slinging personality to life. After the pose is set, I start adding the detailed web patterns across his mask, body, and arms, giving the design that iconic comic book texture that defines Spider-Man's suit and makes him instantly recognizable. To make Spider-Man stand out, I color his suit using a bright, striking red for the mask and upper body, blending it with deep blue tones for the lower suit parts, creating that classic contrast every Spider-Man fan loves so much. Once the base colors are done, I carefully darken the web lines across his suit to make the details sharper, giving him that energetic, ready-to-swing look that makes Spider-Man feel alive even in his tiny cartoon form. I start drawing Iron Man by carefully shaping his helmet with all its sharp, sleek lines, giving him a confident and powerful stance, even though he's in a cute mini Zoonitoons style that keeps him fun and friendly. Then I add the individual armor plates, the arc reactor in the center of his chest, and the mechanical details that make his suit look advanced and high-tech, while still simple enough to fit the cartoony look. To capture Iron Man's classic style, I fill his armor with a rich metallic red and glowing gold, giving his suit that bold, futuristic superhero appearance that fans instantly recognize from the movies and comics. Finally, I add soft blue tones to the reactor and suit lights, along with shading and highlights that make the metal look shiny and polished, turning this tiny Iron Man into a miniature powerhouse ready for action. And just like that, we've finished drawing and coloring our adorable superhero team, Wonder Woman, Superman, Spider-Man, and Iron Man, each one bursting with personality, bright colors, and that signature Zoonitoons charm that makes every character look playful and full of life. If you enjoyed this creative adventure and want to see even more fun drawing tutorials, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your artwork with the Zoonitoons family so we can keep growing and creating amazing things together. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and always remember that your imagination is your greatest superpower. See you next time on Zoonitoons.